Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, that's creepy.
Oh, it must be talking.
You bring it to me!
I love to.
What pizzeria? What pizzeria?
Right there's a little pizza shop back.
Oh. Great food and drinks. I need to find a Starbucks.
Starbucks is that?
Do you want to walk down that way? It's really not that far. It's gorgeous out.
Can they? Do you know which way Starbucks was? Over there, over there?
Down
This
there.
All right, let's go that way.
Down here's the roasted corn.
Roasted corn or Starbucks? I'm going Starbucks.
Pizzeria.
Down there's also the buttery place.
Do you want some pizzeria?
Nah, they only accept cash.
I got it.
This place always supposed to be pizza nights.
Plus, like, it's pretty expensive.
Is it? All right.
One size, $5.
Could be one of those really big ones, though.
Oh, here it is, see? It's packed, though.
It is.
Yeah, we just had a couple events.
Another location.
No, this one's for there and
Yeah,
there.
we got to cross over on that side. Well, let's cross over right here.
Alright. Do you know in Berlin, there's a crosswalk where you can play Pong with people on the other side?
Wow. Oh, okay, come on. Cocoa bees. Look at traffic's all the way back up here. Look at that little smart car, Lolly.
Vintage house antiques. You see that?
Uh-uh.
Oh,
No.
look right there. Big building says antiques.
Oh. Oh, yeah, behind it.
Oh my gosh. Wolf blanket. Wolf blanket.
Yeah. Wasn't I here one time with Lolly and we came up to about this far and we didn't feel like walking down to Starbucks?
No, it was you, me, Lily, and Dad. We parked somewhere down here.
Before that, just a few weeks ago. Look at these cute cabins.
A few weeks ago, I wasn't there with you.
It's cute. Get out of the way so I can film. Casey's Midtown Cabins, $69.95 a night. Out of the traffic. A lot of people out here fishing. I'm trying to get down this little steep hill. It's not much, but there's not much to grasp onto. Okay, made it. Made it. See how the kids are doing. Yeah.
No traction. These are the only things that help me with hiking.
No photographs, please.
Yeah, you're gonna fall down. So Mama did it first.
I want to head over here.
Where you want to sit?
I want to go over here so I can get a picture looking towards the dam. Like I want to head the other side of that hill.
It's a long walk.
I'm fine with it. Just take our time. You got it.
All right.
Don't be speed hiking.
This is called Grinder Lake. It's really not a lake. It's a dammed up area, and it's very small. People come here to fish because it really is. They keep it stocked, so there's not much. As far as town, this is it. As far as recreation goes, there's just really not much else. There's a lot of really nice trails up here. And then that's about it. A few ducks. A few hikers up there. That's where the path is. And it goes up into the woods.
There's ducks.
Yeah, I've seen the ducks. Duck, duck, goose.
Where's the goose?
No goose. Just duck, ducks.
You know what I really want to go to? That like rock cove that's on the other side of the lake.
Oh, I've been there, yeah.
I've always wanted to go over there.
Alright, so there's a dam over there. And like I said, this is really about it as far as the lake. There's not much to it.
I want to get a picture here.
No motorized boats.
I'm going to take a picture, I'll be right back.
Because they stock it, people come out here to fish. You need a fishing license. And then every time you catch one, you no sooner catch one and up pops one of the forest rangers or whatever you call them to make sure that it's at least 12 inches long, or they make you throw it back. And the whole point is you pay to stock it, taxpayers. Then you got to pay for a license, and then they only let you keep certain ones. So, oops. Let's see if we can get down here.
Past here.
Huh?
No, past here.
Yeah, here's one too. It's just a little bit closer. Yeah.
Welcome, Lily, to the higher side.
most everybody's up hiking. It goes deep into woods. It's cooler up there too, so I might actually go up there for a little bit.